individual midterm project presentation. So, first of all, is dito po tayo sa lesson 1. So, information management. What is information management? It's a process of collecting, organizing, storing, protecting, and delivering information to the right people at the right time. It ensures that information is accurate, accessible, secure, and usable to support decision-making and organizational goals. So, key components of IM. First is information governance. Rules, policies, and standards for handling information. Second, data management. Collecting, storing, and maintaining data. Content management. Organizing and controlling digital documents and media. So third, knowledge management. Turning information into knowledge to support learning and innovation. Fourth, technology and infrastructure. This is a database, software, and networks that store and process data. Fourth, security and privacy. Protecting information from unauthorized access and risk. So last is user access and delivery. This is a ensuring information reaches the right people effectively. Next is goals of information management. Improve decision making through reliable data. Ensures accuracy, consistency, and security of information. Make information accessible and usable when needed. Support compliance with laws and regulations. Increase efficiency and reducing redundancy and errors. Preserve organizational knowledge for long-term growth. Next is database in IM. A database is an organized collection of structured information or data, usually stored electronically in a computer system. Database Management System or DBMS is a software like MySQL, Oracle, or SQL Server. Is used to create, manage, and access databases. Types of databases. Relational like tables, rows, and columns. And NoSQL is a documents, key-value graphs, or cloud databases. Purpose. This is to store, organize, retrieve, and update data efficiently. Next, information life cycle. Creation, collection. Ang creation collection ay siya yung nag-generate or nag-gather ng data. So next one is storage. Ang storage naman ay nagsisave ng data in physical or data digital formats. Third one is usage processing. Siya naman yung nag-a-access or nag-a-analyze ng data or nag-a-apply ng data. Fourth is sharing or distribution. Siya yung nag-deliver or ng information sa users. Fifth, maintains and updating. Keeping information accurate and correct. Six, achieving. Preserving data for future reference. So last one is disposal or destruction. This is simply removing outdated or unnecessary information. So next one naman ma'am is dito po tayo sa lesson 2. So ito po ay ER model. So first is the entity relationship model or ER model. Is a conceptual framework used to describe the structure of a database in terms of entities, their attributes, and the relationships among them. It helps in designing and organizing data logically before implementing it in a database system. So, what is data model? A data model is a way of structuring and representing data. It defines how data is stored, how data is connected, or how data is accessed and manipulated. Types of data models. First is conceptual data model. High level or focuses on business concepts. Second, logical data model. Describes data in detail without worrying about physical storage. Third one is physical data model. It shows how data will actually be stored in the database. So next ma'am is ER model constructs. First is entities. This is objects or things in the real world. Next is attributes, properties or characteristics of entities. The last one is the relationships, associations among entities. So, what is entities, attributes, and the relationships? So, first is entity, a real world object or concept like student, teacher, or course. Types of entity is strong entity is a independent. Weak entity is depends on another. So, second is attribute, a property that describes an entity. For example, is student, student name, age, student ID. Types is simple, composite, derived, or multi-volume. Last is relationship, a connection between entities. For example, is student enrolls in course. So, dito na po tayo sa cardinality relationships. Cardinality defines the number of instances of one entity related to another. First is one-to-one. One-to-one is one entity relates to one another entity. Siya po yung isang entity po ay nakarelates po yun sa isang entity lang po is and example niya is one person has one passport. So, second is one to many. Ang one to many ma'am is nakarelate po siya yung isang entity sa maraming objects or sa maraming tao po. So, for example is one teacher teaches many students. So, third one is many to many. Many entities relate to many others. For example, students enroll in many courses and courses have many students. So, symbols in ER models. Symbol, ER notation. So, ang symbol ng entities ay rectangles. Yung paganon po yung drawing. Rectangle. Tsaka, yung attributes po is pa-oval. Pa-oval po, paganon. Ay, baliktad po pala yung entities ay pa-rectangle, paganon. Yung attributes ay pa-oval. Tsaka yung relationship ma'am is pa-diamond po siya. And the primary key, underline attribute. Kung may yung primary key ma'am is yung differencean po ng isang entity po. So, yung primary key ma'am is i-underline po yun. So, weak entity is a double rectangle. So, dito po tayo sa crowfoot symbol, ERD notation. Used in modern database design more compact. Entities, rectangles, attributes inside entities, or listed separated. Relationships line with special symbols, straight line 1, crowfoot many, and circle is optional. So, dito po tayo sa ERD example ma'am. Ito po yung pictures na ipapakita ko na lang po. Yan po yung example ng ERD. And ito po yung ERD example of chain symbol. Ito po na picture. Tsaka ito po yung crowfoot notation. Yan po. Sorry po ma'am kasi wala po akong laptop. So, last but not the least ma'am is conclusion. Information management. It ensures proper collection, organization, storage, and use of data. Uses databases, tools, and lifecycle processes to manage information effectively. It supports decision making and improves efficiency. So, entity relationship naman po tayo or ER model. It provides is a visual way to design and represent databases, defines entities, attributes, and relationships. It uses symbols or and crossfoot notation for clarity.